Hey everyone, welcome to Python for Kids. I know I haven't made a video in a long time, and that's because I was learning HTML. In case you guys don't know what that is, let me tell you guys that. HTML is something you can create a website with, like Google, Wikipedia and stuff. But in my case, I was creating my own global search engine. It's basically like Google. Well, I remember the last time in our video we did make a rainbow sprinkler. Let me bring it up here. This is what it looks like. Sorry for that. So this is what it looks like. And hopefully you guys actually enjoyed that. That was really pretty. And yeah, and I'm also gonna just close this real quick, and let's go ahead and I'll actually show you my global search engine. So this is what it is. I haven't gave a meaning to it yet. So if I type in Rudra and basically just search, there's basically nothing yet, but I have gave a meaning to this, and this, and of course I'm not gonna press log out, but there's no meaning for this, so that's the problem. But I will give a meaning to it later, not right now. But in today's video, guys, I'm really excited because, guys, guess what? We are making our first game. So the game is called Snake, guys. If you don't remember, in my previous video, I made a game called Snake, and basically the game's all about there's a snake, and you basically have to handle it. And there's a version of it on Google. So let me just go ahead and. So this is what it really looks like. You can change the colors, I'm pretty sure. Oh, now you can do it, I'm pretty sure. So basically, you can eat it, and the more you eat, the bigger you get, guys. So this is what I basically made. And if you crash, guys, out of the boundary, you do die. And oh, here it is. So here's like how fast and thing you can go. So if you press fast and you do this, guys, you can basically phase through everything, and you can choose your fruit and stuff. But of course in our video we're not doing that because I really don't know how to do it. Oh, I didn't know that. So this is basically how it looks, and you do teleport into another dimension of fruits. And as you can see, that's what it looks like. And yeah, so this is what we're exactly gonna make. So let's go ahead and open up Visual Studio Code, press new, and then press save. Name it snake.py, guys. In my case, I already made it, so I'm just gonna replace it. Once you do that, what you wanna do is go ahead and type in, go ahead and open up your Google and type in free Python games, and this is what you should get. And press the one that's Grand Jenks or whatever that is, and then you're gonna go scroll down here, and you wanna install this one, guys. Not the quick start one. The quick start one, not like these, because we're not using those. We're only using this one. So you don't wanna copy this. You just wanna copy this and paste it in your terminal, which is this, and then you paste it, and you basically just press enter. In my case, I already own it, so yeah. So give it a while to load, guys. Sometimes it may make some problems, so give it even after it's installed, give it like around 1 or 2 minutes. But yeah, and hopefully now that you have installed it, there are lot of games that it provides you, and this is the game we're making. So yeah, let's go ahead and open this up, and what you want to type in is from turtle import shift A. Then you're gonna press enter. From random import range, And guys, you know how it works here. After we're done with writing the code, I explain you guys what the code means, because that's the best way to actually learn Python. At least that's how I learned it, and since my job is to teach you guys, yeah. So go ahead and type in after you want to type in is from free games import square vector. Press enter, and then we're gonna make food, guys, because as you saw, the more it eats, the bigger it gets, and it's a challenge, guys. So you need to make the food. So food equals to vector, and you want to do brackets, and then you're going to type in a 0, comma 0, and then after you're done with that, press enter. Snake then equals to square brackets vector, then you're going to press, type in is brackets, you're going to do 10 and then 0. And we have also now made our snake. Now we just need to make aim. So you guys are probably wondering what that aim is for, and some of you probably guessed it by now. So guys, if our snake wants to go left, guys, we need to make it aim left, right? Because then it can just go front and then it bump into the out of the boundaries and stuff. So you want to make sure nothing like that happens. So that's why we're making aim. And so if you press right arrow, it goes right. If you press left arrow, it goes left. Then press enter. Then you want to type in is def change, guys, and then you're gonna make the coordinates of the direction it's aiming at. So you want to type in is after that x and then y. You guys probably know from math that the coordinates x and y, it's really important, because if you see, guys, change snake, then you want to do is direction, and then you're gonna press enter. Then you want to type in is aim dot x equals to x, aim dot y equals to y. I'm so sorry for messing up there, guys. Then you want to press enter, and then over here, and then you're gonna press here, enter, and that's how it should look. And then we're gonna type in is inside. So now basically, guys, we're gonna use those coordinates for the inside of the boundaries. Just type in is head, def inside head, and you're gonna do is press, you gotta do this here, and you also need to add one to here. I forgot to add a semicolon, and then hopefully it should change the color here. And then you are gonna type in is, just press Ctrl V, because we already have done it. Then you just press enter, and that's how it should look. Then of course now we're gonna do the moving part, because we have made right now that if it aims for the coordinates, but we also need to make how it is. So press enter, type in is what you want to type in is def move, then brackets, you want to type in nothing though, and then you want to do semicolon. Then you're going to press enter again, and you shall have a tab, and then just type in is move snake. If you don't, guys, just simply go ahead and press tab, because sometimes Visual Studio Code might mess up. Even I get a mad sometimes. So move snake forward 1 segment. Do that. And then you're going to press enter, and then you want to type in is head, and then you're going to do equals to snake. Then once you have typed that, do square brackets, and then you just need to type in -1, and then you're gonna go on the side and press .copy head .move. As you can see, that's what I meant, .move. And then you want to do is aim. So that's basically the head. The head needs to move wherever you aim, and that's exactly what I meant here. So yeah, I'm sorry for that. I did figure it out, hopefully. Thank you, I guess. And then you want to type in is enter, and then you want to type in is if not inside head, of course, because that's the snake's head, or head and snake. Then you're gonna press enter, and then you want to type in is square, and press this, guys. And once you do that, you want to type in is square head x. And you're gonna do is comma head, and then you're gonna type in is y, and then you're gonna do is comma, sorry, and then you want to type in is 9, comma red. Over here, guys, you probably figured it out by now. If you haven't, let me just tell you. So guys, if the head's not in, it's telling it that turn into red, which means that it's crashed, because we're not gonna have like that background type of noise that it had in that. In here, we're basically building like a simple one, like not like an advanced one. So then it's telling it to return, because that means that you can close, and then update basically means load it up again, and then you're gonna do is snake. I'm gonna press go here, and then you're gonna type in is snake dot append So hopefully you guys have typed that, and you're gonna do is brackets, and then you want to type in his head, friend. You're gonna type in his, oh, I think so, there's something wrong here. Oh wait, there's nothing wrong. Just press another enter, and then you want to type in is if head equals to food. So right now we're telling about the food, guys. So print, you wanna do, oh wait, it should be like a tab. I don't know why it didn't give a tab. My thing wasn't working that nice, so I just decided to pause it and then continue. And I did type a bit so that we can end this a bit early, because the video has been so far long enough. So then you want to do is for, you want to do a tab here. You want to do is for, okay, and then after you do that, what you do is for body, and then you want to do is for body in snake, you want to do is semicolon, and then for body in snake, and then you want to type in a square square, and then you want to do is do this bracket. I'm pretty sure if there's a bracket, and then you want to do is body. Why am I messing up my typing so bad today? Body, and then you want to type in is dot period and body in dot x comma body dot y, and then you want to type in is comma and then black. This is the color of the snake. Actually, instead of making it black, since in that it was blue, so let's make it blue instead. And then we need to type in is enter again, and you want to type in is a backspace and then square, and then you want to do is the food color. So the food dot x and then comma food dot y, and those are the coordinates of the food. And then you're gonna do is not the coordinates of the food, like the right now I'm naming the colors. So we are gonna make it let's just make it, I guess. Wait, let's go ahead and see what color the food was. If you do the settings, let's actually choose grapes. Yeah, let's choose grapes, so that's purple, and then press enter, and then you want to type in is update brackets, and then you want to type in is monitor mer, and then move. Oh, I did miss the spelling here. On it. Oh, it's on timer. Sorry, on timer. I messed up. I'm so sorry. Move, then comma and 100. And then you want to type in is setup. And then you want to do is the numbers, which is 420. Then it's again 420. Then it's 370. Then it's 0. And you're gonna press enter. Hide turtle. You're gonna press brackets. I'm gonna press enter. Tracer. I'm gonna press fall, or type in as false. And then we are gonna make it here. We're gonna type in here is listen. And then over here, guys, we are using lambda expressions. So lambda expressions can actually be used, guys, to basically make the keys, guys. So in today's video we're using lambda expressions for the keys. I forgot to tell you guys, we are using it for the making the keys, which is pretty cool. So we did learn right now lambda, and I am gonna tell you guys the definition once we do finish this. So yeah, then we're gonna type in as right, and then guys just go ahead and actually then I'm gonna press enter, and you wanna paste it in here again. You wanna paste it in here 4 times, guys, 4 times, and then over here you wanna make the changes to -10, guys, and then instead of having right over here, oh wait, we didn't just add a comma now. I guess, comma, comma, and then comma. And then you wanna make this one, second one, left arrow, L capital left, and then we're gonna make this upper arrow, and then we're gonna make this down arrow, and now we're gonna go to the up arrow and then make the changes to 0 is actually here, and then make the 10 over here, and then down is 0 over here, and minus negative 10. So that's how it should look, guys. And our snake game is right now is ready after we type this in real quick. What we want to type in is move, then you're going to do brackets, you're going to press enter, and then you're going to press done, guys. So this is how it should look. You can go ahead and test it out. What is it? Or turns out I didn't type in P. So that's how it should look like now. You can go ahead and run the code. Go ahead and run the code. And guys, you do wanna, you know how the setup and everything, you do need to press backspace a couple of times. So yeah. Oh wait. My thing didn't pop up here, so let me just bring it here real quick. So this is how it looks, guys. I'm just gonna bring it up here again real quick. Okay, I'm actually kind of scared because I don't want to die. Actually, I'm gonna kind of play it for a few. Oh, there we go. So this is actually how your snake game should look like. It does give you that, as you can see, it does add numbers over here that I've ate the food 4 times. So my high score is 4 right now. And as you can see, it did do a red, and it also shows where we did crash. And that's how the game looks. So now let's just go ahead and look at what the code means. So over here, we were explaining what about the food, snake, and aim. So yeah. The depth change over here is where the snake's direction is. So aim X coordinate and aim Y coordinate. And inside over here, so if it's inside the coordinates, this is the boundaries. And depth moves. So we are telling here to head where we aim. And this over here is basically the same thing. So yeah. And then over here, if not inside head, so if it's not inside head, guys, it has to be red. It turns red, and then the update is kind of red. I don't know why, but then there's a return. So you basically have to press X, and then you have to return back to the game. Then over here, you can see where my cursor is, and that's the 4. My high score was 4. If not, and that's done. Then we are done snake appendant. Basically that's just a code to keep the stuff inside and stuff. And if head and then the food, so if you eat the food, print snake and then the food amount of food you have ate. So as you can see, it printed 4, and then food X range and stuff, the coordinates, else snake pop. Then when you press X, then just clear. And for body in snake, that we gave the color black for the body, which was supposed to actually be blue, guys. I actually made it blue. I don't know why I typed black. So now if you go ahead and run it, it does look blue. Look guys, it does look blue. And then I don't know why this made green. I'm pretty sure because there was something wrong with the code, so it just changed because then after green, guys, we want to make it purple because remember the grapes. And then yeah, we just made the color of the food, and then this is the on timer move 100 and stuff, like on time, like it's a timer basically, but you don't need to worry about that, guys. It's real. you just have a lot of time to play the game. And then there's setup. We made a setup with our numbers, hide turtle, and we did import turtle so that about the drawing, and import random so they can import renders at the same time, and of course free games for the vector and stuff. And then we said hide our turtle or it would actually kind of mess the game up, guys. And then we made here used lambda expressions, guys, for the keybinds. So that is, well guys, that is pretty much for it. And well, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel, and if you guys have any questions, make sure to comment down below. And well guys, that's it for today's video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.